Hi, it's Alicia from Skipping Fox Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to install a decal on your car. You will need your decal, a rewards card of some sort. Do not use your credit card just in case it breaks, paper towel, and some Windex. So for our first step is to clean the window. You don't have to clean the entire window, just where you're putting it. Putting your decal. I'm going to do one more just because my car is dirty. Alright. Then you're going to bring in your decal, decide where you want it. You see? And then you're going to peel the backing off your decal. This one will wait. You're going to lay it on where you want it. And you take your rewards card. And you rub it like crazy. Make sure you get your fine pieces, if you have any, really well. Press a little bit. Just make sure those whiskers get on there. And then you're going to take the clear film and peel back. You're going to pull it 180 degrees away from your decal so it's laying flat. And slowly pull it just in case something doesn't come off, these whiskers. Okay. And you just rub back. And hopefully your decal doesn't have as much fine detail as these whiskers. You may have to play with it a little bit. There we go. And keep on coming. Now still go slow just in case if you have script font or anything like that, that's going to be the most tedious. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Any questions, leave a comment below or check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or at my website www.skippingfoxcreations.com. Have a great day.